The macaron, a classic French confection. 2 identical pillows of airy meringue, sandwiching a decadent cream filling, crispy and soft, polished and playful, all at the same time. It is the epitome of elegant simplicity.
Oh my gosh, she's trying to squeeze one more in her box. Oh.
Let's go. 1 minute, you have 1 more minute left. Come on, 1 minute. Get them in the box. 1 minute. Get them in the box. Get them in the box now.
Oh, God. You got this, Kaegan. You got it. Come on, Eugene.
Use both hands! Oh, my God.
I put them in the box. I count them. There's only 8 in there. So I've shoved 2 more in. My macarons look like crap.
Come on, Eugene. Come on, Kaegan.
Take what you have and go. Take what you have and go.
Go, go. Keep going.
To the front.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up.
Close.
Good job, guys.
Very close.
I've just got it all on display here. I have no idea what's in those other 2 boxes, though.
It's time to taste your macarons.
Hey, Eugene. When I open this box, I want to see 10 uniform, perfectly shaped macaron. Am I gonna see that?
I don't believe so, Chef.
Well, the first one, not bad. Second one, not bad. Keep going. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. The flavors better knock me out because the shapes are a little off. This is a Thai one, right?
Yes, Chef.
Wow. I got the Thai flavors. I got the Thai lime leaf, got a bit of the coconut. The taste is great. Amazing.
Eugene.
Hi, Chef.
All right, I'm gonna try the matcha. And this is a chocolate and green tea.
And pistachio.
Wow, look at that. Nice little surprise. What happened to the middle of it?
There might be little pieces of butter in it because I actually forgot the butter in the buttercream.
I can see that. I like where you were going. Great flavor profiles, great combination. Just you failed in the execution.
How many are in the box, Becky?
10.
Well, let's see what they look like, shall we? At first glance, I see one that is definitely crushed.
Yeah.
And the one adjacent to it. I have to try the bacon tart. It would be rude not to. That very gentle crust on the outside is there. That soft, moist center of the macaron itself, beautiful. And then it's that almond flavor that comes through. That is bacon tart à la macaron. Thank you, Becky.
What is the second flavor that you made? Can you remind me?
Hazelnut praline.
Are you happy with this filling?
No.
What happened?
I wanted the praline crunchy, and it was just like too crunchy. I couldn't pipe it, and then I was just spooning it on.
you miss the mark. The filling kind of gets lost. There's not enough of it.